Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick episode comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Zendesk and SugarCRM. So in this video, we're going to dive into it and help you analyze which of these CRM tools can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Zendesk. Zendesk is best for business focused on customer support. It's easy to set up, user-friendly, and it's great for handling chat, emails, and tickets across channels. It integrates well with other CRM tools, making it ideal for growing teams that prioritize customer service efficiency. However, its sales and marketing features are quite limited compared to a full CRM platform. Now, SugarCRM, on the other hand, shines when it comes to sales automation and customization. It also offers deeper analytics, workflow control, and strong integration flexibility. But it's more complex to learn and can be costly for small teams. Overall, you can easily choose Zendesk for simple and fast support management, and SugarCRM if you need a powerful all-in-one CRM system for your business. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.